Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up your add to cart buy it now button on your Shopify. To do this you will need an application. So for example, on my store, let's go to this. This is the buy it now button, but I want to change it to something else, for example. And now you want to go here and go to applications and, for example, write down buy it or buy now. And let's search in Shopify. And this is the buy button we're gonna choose for today. So let's click on it and install it to our Shopify store. Now, when you install it, you will be redirected to this page where you can create a buy button for a website or a blog. So you're just gonna create one. Now you can choose a collection buy button or product. So let's choose a product and let's choose, for example, this product right here. Now this is how it looks like. You can make it basic, full view, like so, or just a classic add to cart. Now add to cart, product, direct checkout, or open product details. So I would, if you want to do a buy it now, so definitely do direct to checkout. And basically when a person clicks it, they will be redirected directly to checkout. Now the button style, you can choose a background, anything you like actually. So for example, let's make it something like that. Button corners, as you can see, you can make it move around and make a button more wider basically. Button text, let's leave it a white one. And now you can also choose a font. So let's choose, for example, this one and make it a little bit bigger. Now we can actually make it smaller and something like that. Now, when you did the button style, you can choose also a layout. Maybe make it medium, large, or small. Now the alignment of it, let's leave it in the center, and the button text. So buy it now. Let's change it to this. And that's basically it. Redirect in the same tab or open pop-up window. So let's leave it the pop-up window. Now what you need to do, you need to click the copy code and basically paste it into your HTML editor of the web page where you want to display it. So let's copy the code and let's exit it. Now you go to your online store right there and click customize. And now you want to choose where you want to put it. So for example, let's put it here on our section, custom liquid. Let's put the code in and let's save it. Now let's see. Here it is. Of course, it doesn't look really great now, but that's how it works. You basically paste the code and it will pop up wherever you like. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.